Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a job update from the Bharat Electronics Limited, BAIL. This is a Navratna company and they are recruiting on contract basis for the two positions, trainee engineer and project engineer. So for the trainee engineer, the requirement is for the EC, mechanical, triple E and CS branch. The upper limit of the age will be 28 years. The number of posts are given to us. Reservation of post, the classification of reservation is given to here. Okay, and here the remuneration per month will be, for the first year it is 30,000, second year 35,000. Although this is a contract basis job, so for the trainee engineer this job is for the 2 year only. Maximum, if the requirement is there, then they will extend it for the third year. So the remuneration for the third year is given. And for the project engineer, EC, mechanical, triple E and CS, the number of posts are given. The upper age limit will be 32 years. The classification of reservation post is given. And this, for the project engineer, the post is required for the 4 years. Maximum it will be 4 years. Initially it is for the 3 year only. If they require, then they will extend it for the 4 year. So the contract will be of the 3 year. The project location and the place of posting will be Bangalore only. So these posts are for the Bangalore position only. If you want to know more about the age restriction, you can go on this particular segment and you can check it out. So here the requirement is BE BTech is a requirement in the respective branch, and other than this job is not for the fresher. This, for the project engineer and the trainee engineer, they need work experience. So especially this is not for the fresher. So the work experience for the trainee engineer, the 6 month, minimum 6 month of the industrial experience is required, and for the project engineer minimum 2 years of the relevant post industrial experience is required. So these two things are very important. So this is not for the fresher. Okay, so if you are in BE BTech from a recognized university, you can approach here, and the last date of this one will be the 3rd of the August. Before 3rd of the August you can apply. How to apply? This post, this PDF is uploaded in the description box of this video. You can get from there, and detailed notification you can read out. Other than this, you can apply, okay, through this particular link. And from this one, the project engineer, when you will apply, the application fees for the project engineer is 472 rupees, and trainee engineer it is rupees 177. So you can approach, and the documentation, whatever the requirement is given to here, you can approach from here. Okay guys, and the very important thing is the last date to apply, which is the 3rd of the August. So you can go on the detailed PDF which is given in the link of this description box.